Good day, everyone. For today, I am going to show you how to create presentation using online platform. So especially Canva. So I will show you how Canva works in PowerPoint presentation. So let's start. Okay, open your Canva and then make sure you have an account and then choose presentation. There are too many options to choose from. So choose presentation. In the presentation there are designs to choose from. So there is pro if you are paying. So since we're not paying, so just choose those designs that do not have a crown icon. Okay, so for example, so let's find it from the top. Okay, so after you choose that one, you can now revise. You can now change the text. So after editing some words, and if you want to add some pictures, all right, then we can now upload some pictures. You can have to click upload in the menu. Let's have to wait. Okay, so in the design, okay, so we're going to add some slides, change them. You can have upload. So find the folder of your photos and or your pictures. After finding them, select them and then click upload. Click open. Okay, so you have now your uploaded pictures. So you may now drag them, drag all you like. So there is also label, so you can put labels on it. So you can duplicate also the slide if you want to copy the template, okay, of your slide. You can just right click and then duplicate. Choose duplicate. So you can replace the pictures of your preference. So we can add more. The same template. So you can just drag. Everything is okay. If you're done with all, you can share and go to download and choose .mp4 or you can .pptx. It's up to you. I choose that MP4. So I'm going to have an album, a video album, and then click download. So it's downloading now. So we're going to wait until it's finished and then we can now open. Then after that, we are going to open that file to check if it's really, uh, if it's correct. Okay. So you have now your file in album in presentation. Okay, so that's all for Canva presentation, creating an album using online platform using Canva in canva.com. But you have to ensure that you have your account. So try to log in your account if you don't have that, so they can create account with your email. So that's all. Thank you.